Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about these crochet braids, and yes, they are crochet. And I don't know why I didn't try these sooner, but it's wonderful. I'll have the info down below of what hair I use, the color, how many packs. They were like $7 a pack. I used 8.5 packs because my head is large. So the hair is by Freetress. It's the Freetress medium. They call them the Dookie braids. They're box braids, whatever. But they're wonderful, guys. This is my first time doing this braid pattern, so it did take me a little longer than it usually takes me to do crochet braids. Usually with crochet braids I can finish maybe like 2 hours. It takes me like an hour to like, you know, part my hair, braid my hair, and then it takes me like another hour to like put in the crochet hair. This time what I did was the front of my hair, so I left out the front row to be individuals as such, and I did it on this side as well, so it could be more natural looking. So then the rest I braided backwards. There's 12 braids in the front, and then I have like, I want to say maybe like 5 like regular braids in the back, and then I have 1 anchor braid coming in the back. Usually when I braid my hair, I braid the front back, I stop in the middle, and then my braids go horizontal. Instead I tried vertical to see how it would look and how it would fall, and I actually like it better than doing it horizontal. It lays more flat than doing them horizontal when you do them vertically. So it took me about, I want to say 3.5 hours maybe. Y'all, braiding your own hair is work. You got to be in the mirror, you got to do all this, it was a lot. And then I was trying to figure out what braids to put together, how many braids I wanted. It was work, guys, but I got it done. So the backing is just spaced, so let me turn around so you can see. I don't put a lot in the back because you don't want it to be super heavy, because you're gonna be walking around like this. These braids are not that light. 2, you don't want it to look super bulky, so you don't want to fill in every space in between. So I started on the ends when I was putting them in, and then I worked my way to the back. The front, I just basically took one of the, I'll show you what they look like. I took one of these braids and I basically just unraveled it. So this is what the ends look like. Hold on, let me get this for you guys. So these are the ends. Don't ask me why they're not braided. The braid stops right here and then they twist at the end. I don't know if that helps it last long. I don't know why it's not just braided all the way down, but whatever. So I just unraveled one of these and I just braided. Ooh, my little thing is coming down. I just braided it like a natural braid. But yes, let's get a close-up of them so you guys can see. I like 8 packs. It's a little heavy. I had 9 packs total in my head, and I had to take some out because I don't know if it was because my hair was tender still or what, but my neck was killing me. So I took some out. So I took like half a pack out. And it's gotten a little better. Today is like, is it almost a week? It might be almost a week. I don't know. I don't remember when I started doing my hair. But it's better. This is a lifesaver because it's summer. Well, it's going to be summer. It's supposed to be summer, but the way this Cali weather is set up, it doesn't feel anything like that. But you know, braids is the go-to style in the summertime. You ain't gotta worry about it. But now you don't have to sit that long. Like, praise Jesus, because to braid especially when you braid your own hair, to braid your own hair, it takes work. Your arms hurt. I usually have to split it in 2 days. So I'll do the back of my head one day and then wrap a scarf, go to work, do whatever, and then I'll braid the front of my hair like the next day. Like, unless I'm like really in the mood and I pump myself up to braid my hair in one day, it typically does not happen. Like, I can't. So these box braids are great. I've done crochet twists. I've done the Senegalese twist. I've done Marley twists that I've made myself. I've done the curly hair. I've done a lot of crochet styles. But I don't know why I didn't try these sooner. So you can part it on the side as such. You can do middle. And y'all, it's one, see, look. If I didn't tell you guys that these were crochet, you probably wouldn't even tell. Like, it's the best thing ever. Yes, yes, yes. You can, the reason why I decided to do the individuals in the front, besides it looking more natural, like, you could decide if you want to put your hair up. And look at that, y'all. Still looking natural. So, you know, us females, we like doing them top buns. You can do a top bun on the top if you want to. And it still works as such. Look at it, look at it. Top buns is one of my go-to styles when I don't feel like putting it all up. I could probably put my hair up all in one bun. It might be heavy. But typically I kind of get used to it. But I'll probably have to wear a scarf for the back. Maybe the next time when I do this style again, because I will reuse these braids, I'm gonna braid the back, do little braids in the back so it looks more natural, so I could put everything up in a ponytail. Or if if I can't do that, I will do the same thing I did in the front, which is do individuals around the perimeter and call it a DIY. But again, I'm gonna show you guys the hair. They come about, let me say, like 10 in a pack. Yeah, I didn't count them. I just kind of took them off. But I want to say they're like 10 in a pack. But they come like this. It has the little hoop. Y'all can see that. There we go. So it has the hoop. And then you have your latch hook. They sell it at the beauty supply store for like $2. And that's all you need. Like, this style costs, I want to say like $80. That's with tax. So yeah, it's a cheap style to do. Saves you time. I would recommend it. I haven't had like the frizziness yet, so that's also another thing I like, because I feel like the style is going to last a little bit longer. And if I need to do my perimeter again, that's fine. Like, that's going to take me probably like 30 minutes to an hour to unravel and then do them again, which is good. So it'll probably last longer than your typical box braids. But as you can see, let's get a close-up of it. They are wonderful. Look. Yes. Y'all see that? That's what it is. And it comes to here. So about, I'm short. So I'm 5'2". So they hit right at my, like, my butt, the back of my butt. Oh, come back and focus. Come. Are we here? There we are. I don't know, all my camera is tripping. But they hit right above my butt. So right where my butt is, that's where my braids hit. It might be a little bit shorter for people who are taller. If you're shorter than me, they're definitely gonna be longer. They have the box braids that are like 30 inches long. No ma'am, I won't be getting those. Because they would probably be to like my calves, number one. Number two, I'm sure they're super heavy, so I like my neck. I'm not trying to have any neck problems. So this will be the longest. They have shorter ones than this. If you don't like them this long, they do have one that's a little bit shorter. I think that one was probably like $6, something like that. But I'll try to do like a style video of the different styles that you can do with crochet box braids, because there's a few styles that you can do, especially with this braid pattern. It's very versatile. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you, Freetress, for making box braids that I don't have to sit for 8 hours, 9 hours, 2 days, 8 years to be doing my hair, because nobody has time, especially if you working or you just got other stuff to do. Nobody has the time. So thank you. I recommend these braids, and tune into my channel again. Like, subscribe, share, and love, peace, and chicken grease.